up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back and I'm going to attempt a style that I don't think I've ever done on my channel, and if I did, it was a while back. So I will be attempting to do a dry twist out, and the products that I will be using today are from Luster Pink's new line. So I will be using first the Luster's Pink glosser, and this is what the glosser looks like. I will be using the Shea Butter Coconut Oil Curl Twist Pudding, and then also the Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blends Lush Growth Oil to help take out the twist out when I get to that sector of the style. So this is what the other last two look like. Now my hair is currently in 2 braids, as you guys can see, and I actually got this idea from my girl Finally Amber on YouTube. If you guys do not watch her channel, make sure you guys head over to her channel. I will put a picture of what she looks like, or just a picture of her channel somewhere on the screen. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to her channel. That is my girl. I love her videos. Like, I feel like we cousins in real life, period. Okay, so I follow her on Instagram, and I did see her stretching her hair, or preparing her hair to be stretched with 2 pigtails. Hers wasn't necessarily in braids, but I decided to do mine in braids because my hair just goes nuts if I try to put it in twists. There's no point in even doing that. So I did that last night when I actually washed my hair. So my hair is probably like 85% dry. It's still a little damp in some places, but I am going to take down these braids and get started. So here we are in our before. You see it, recognize it, and forget it, because we finna be popping. So I'm going to take these down. I did have a rubber band at the end. When it comes to rubber bands, I don't use them in my hair unless it's at the end of my hair. Otherwise it'll get stuck. So I'm going to take out this first braid here. There's nothing in my hair right now. I just washed it with the Luster's Pink shampoo. So I am going to stretch my hair out just a little bit more, and we're going to get started. I don't really know how you're supposed to use the glosser, but I'm going to spray a little bit of this on my hair, just a little bit, and then I'm going to grab, not a lot, just a little bit, and then I'm going to grab my blow dryer, and let's get it popping. So my dryer of choice today is going to be this brush blow dryer, and I actually got this from Amazon like a couple years ago, and mine still runs very well. So it is from Revlon. I will link it down below if you guys are interested, and I will add it to my Amazon store as well, so look for those links in the description box. Alright, y'all, so now that my hair is freshly stretched, blow dried, whatever you want to call it, I left my hair in those 6 sections, and I twisted each section one by one. So I just, detangled a little bit more, took me a little section and used some of the twist and curl pudding from Luster's Pink. I applied a little bit to the ends and then pulled it up to the roots, twisted it, and twirled my ends. I didn't add any type of liquid, water, or anything else. This is literally a one product twist out. And I followed this method around my whole entire head. It's just a regular 2-strand twist, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to chat too much, but just keep watching to see how it turns out. So it is the next morning and my hair is completely, well, I don't want to say dry, but set. And I'm using the Luster Pinks natural oil blends, and I put that all on my fingers, in between my fingers, and I separated all the twists first, and then I went back and separated more after I finished untwisting everything. And the definition was crazy to me because I thought it was just going to be like a frizzy mess, to be honest. But as you can see, like, there's crazy definition, and my hair has shine to it, so that's pretty dope. And like I said, as you guys can see, my hair has a shine to it, and it was really soft, fluffy, and lightweight. And I wore this twist out for a week, if I'm not mistaken. And I really enjoyed this oil blend, so you'll see me dip and dab into it a couple times before I actually finish my whole fluffing and separating process. So after I finished my edges and the little finishing touches to my hair, I was pretty much finished. Um, And I love it, honestly. And I think I will be doing this style again. I normally do twist outs on wet hair, and I enjoyed this twist out because I didn't have to do a drying time or a wait time. So overall, I think this style came out pretty dope and very defined, very fluffy. And like I said, it lasted me for a week. So make sure you guys check out the description box for any additional details. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.